Hi friends, today we start the new question. See carefully. Question type is third. Give appropriate term symbol for states with following following values of L and S. Okay. Also also work out the possible J values, that means total angular momentum, quantum number, quantum number. L is equal to 2, S is equal to 2. Okay. In second, L is equal to 4, S is equal to half. What is the question? Give appropriate term symbol for the states with following values of L and S, and also work out the possible J values, that means total angular momentum quantum number. That means in example, the value of L is already given and the value of S is already given. L means what? L means total angular momentum. Okay, and S means total spin angular momentum. Okay, L is total angular momentum, S is the spin angular momentum. These values are given in example. Now we start how to write the answer. Okay, first you have to mention what is the formula. RS term, the symbol for RS term is twice S plus 1 x L minus S. Okay, when L minus S is taken, when J is L minus S, at that time less than half field, and when J is equal to L plus S, that means greater than half field or more than half field, greater than half field. Okay, this is the formula for RS term. Okay, L means what is here? L is total angular momentum, and S is spin angular momentum. This is the theory behind how to write the answer. Okay, now we take the first. L is equal to 2 and S is equal to 2. Okay, L means what? Capital L, that means summation of Li, which is given as a 2, and S is equal to summation of Si, which is already given as 2. Okay, then what is the series? We know that what is the series? L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X, S, P, D, F, G, H, I. Okay. L is here. L is equal to what is there? 2. So you have to take X as a D. Okay. So S is equal to 2. What is the value of twice S plus 1? 2 in bracket 2 plus 1. Okay, the answer is 5. Okay, then you just write here twice S plus 1 x L minus S. Okay, then what is the value of twice S plus 1? 5. Here x, the value of L is 2, so we get the x as a D. Okay, and L minus S, what is the value of L minus S? L is equal to 2 and S is equal to, L minus S is equal to 2 minus 2, so answer is 0. So quintet D0 is the ground state term, is ground state ground state. After that, what is the next question? Also work out the possible j values, that means total angular momentum quantum number. That means you have to find out the possible j values. Okay, how you calculate the possible j values? Okay, see the possible j values. For calculating, your half answer get completed. What is remaining? Possible j values. For calculating possible j values, possible value of j. Okay, what is the ground state term? See here, ground state term is quintet d. Okay, quintet d, quintet d. Okay, now quintet d, here j, you know, you don't know what is here. L minus s is there or L plus is there. L plus is there. Okay, so you have to write here j. Okay, now what is the possibility of j? L minus s or L plus s. Okay, so quintet d, L plus s, when you take the L plus s, what is the L plus s? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, then phi u d 4. Okay, this is the first, and when you take the L minus s, at that time 2 minus 2, which is the answer is 0. So quintet d, L minus s, quintet d 0. Okay, this is the two possible values. So the possible j values are, the ground state term is quintet d, here 1. Okay, so the last is phi u d 0. Okay, again phi u d 1, phi u d 2, phi u d 3, and what is last? Phi u d 4. Okay, that means from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the possible j values. This is called as a j values. Okay, there are two possibilities, L minus s and L plus s. This is the possible values of j. Okay, thank you.